Zero error. For enamel vernier calipers, the zero mark of the main scale should always coincide with the zero mark of the vernier scale when the jaws are closed. Otherwise, we end up with an anomaly which we call zero error. So in definition, we say that zero error is an anomaly on the scales that arises when the zero mark on the main scale does not coincide with the zero mark on the vernier scale. So in these diagrams, we have the first diagram. For the first diagram, we have the zero mark of the main scale in coincidence with the zero mark of the vernier scale. So in this case, there is no zero error. The zero marks of both scales coincides. So we say that there is no zero error. However, in diagram 2, the zero mark of the main scale is not in coincidence with the zero mark of the vernier scale. So it happens in such a way that the zero mark of the vernier scale is on the left. A very small length on the left of the zero mark of the main scale. In such cases, we say that the calipers has a negative zero error. Zero mark of the vernier scale is on the left of that of the main scale. And remember, this happens when the jaws are closed. In diagram 3, the zero mark of the main scale does not coincide with the zero mark of the vernier scale when the jaws are closed. We again have a zero error, but in this case, we say that the zero error is positive. So for a positive zero error, the zero mark of the vernier scale is a small length on the right of the zero mark of the main scale. This is when the jaws are closed. Example, vernier calipers with a zero error of positive 0.02 centimeters was used to measure the diameter whose actual value is 3.78 centimeters. Find the reading on the vernier calipers. So we have two measurements here. We have the actual value. This is the value we would expect the vernier calipers to read when it had no zero error, and it is given as 3.78 centimeters. The vernier calipers has a zero error of positive 0.02 centimeters. It is important to note that zero errors are normally subtracted to get the readings that the calipers give, in case the calipers has a zero error. So we treat the zero errors by simply subtracting them to get the readings that are given with such faulty vernier calipers. So in this case, reading that is given will be equal to actual value minus the zero error. So we have 3.78 minus positive zero error of 0.02. The reading is in centimeters. So that gives a value of 3.76 centimeters. So the vernier calipers will read 3.76 centimeters when the actual reading is 3.78. We also note that vernier calipers only give readings in centimeters. Are only given in centimeters. When we use ordinary vernier calipers that are available in the school laboratories, we should only be able to give or to get our answers in centimeters. Besides this, the readings that we get from vernier calipers are given in 2 decimal places. The 2 decimal places represents the accuracy of the vernier calipers. So the accuracy of a vernier calipers is 0.01 centimeters. The least measurement that can be taken from a vernier calipers is 0.01 centimeters.